Hi, I'm Sharon Lala from New Mexico State University. Welcome to the Power of 10 series. The Power of 10 is designed to minimize your learning time and to get you started in 10 minutes. Today we're going to cover discussions as activities or assignments, the Canvas way. The first question we want to ask ourselves about discussions is whether or not we want it to be a graded discussion or an ungraded discussion. If the discussion is graded, then in Canvas it is called an assignment. If the discussion is ungraded, then in Canvas it is called an activity. So what do you need in order to create a discussion activity versus a discussion assignment? Let's start with the discussion activity. Simply, you need a topic for discussion and the discussion tool. For a discussion assignment, you also need the discussion topic, plus a rubric or other criteria that you are going to be using to evaluate your discussion. Tools that you will need for an assignment will be a gradebook, the calendar, the assignment tool, the discussion tool, and the speed grader tool. Now let's talk about the discussion activity. In this example, I'm going to show you how to create an activity called introductions. And basically, we would create this activity at the very beginning of the semester and where the instructor can introduce him or herself as well as the students so that we can begin a conversation. It is ungraded. It is to get to know one another. Then we're going to create a discussion assignment. This one is graded. We're going to ask a question and we're going to have students respond to this topic, and as the instructor I will apply a rubric to the discussion. I am in my Canvas course called Sharon's Playground, and on the left is the course navigation area. You will see discussions. I'm going to click on discussions, and what you'll see is all the discussions, whether they're activities or topics, listed in this area. If I select the Assignments tool, I will see only those discussions that are considered assignments. The activities will not display in an Assignments area. So let's begin by creating a discussion activity. I'm going to click on Discussion. I will go to the Start a New Topic option. I'm going to key in Introductions, and I'm going to type my topic. I'm a quick typer. I'm going to click on This is a threaded discussion. Click on More Options. I can choose to make some other decisions like delaying the posting, not displaying the replies until after all users post, enable podcasting feed, or use for grading. In this case, again, I'm making an activity, so I'm not using for grading. I'm going to click on Add New Topic, and now I have an activity that students can use to introduce themselves. This is not in the gradebook. This is not in the calendar. The next thing I'm going to do is create a discussion that is an assignment. I will begin by selecting Assignments from the course navigation area. And I have an assignment group called Graded Discussions, so I will add my discussion to this area. I can begin by creating an assignment by clicking on the plus sign. I'm going to put what is technical communication. Now notice there's some text here called type. This is assignment type, and you actually have 5 options. We are talking about discussions. I'm going to create this an assignment of type discussion. I'm going to give it a due date of May 31st. Done. I'm going to give it 25 points. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the More Options link under the Points area to continue the creation of my discussion. I'm going to type in my discussion topic. Again, I'm such a fast typer. I'm going to go make sure that my title is correct, my points. I'm going to keep it unlocked. I have it assigned to my graded discussions under the assignment group. And all I have to do now is click on Update. Now what I should have done is I should have made a change, put a question mark in the title so I can use my pencil. I am editing my title. And update. Okay, now I have made a discussion that is an assignment. Now by making it a discussion, I can go to the gradebook now, and I will see that the discussion is now in the gradebook as an activity. I can go to my global calendar and I can see that my discussion is now on the global calendar. So as you can see, there are two types of discussions in Canvas, a discussion activity and a discussion assignment. If you want your discussion to be graded, accounted for, or on the calendar, you're going to want to create a discussion assignment. If you want your discussion to be ungraded and you don't care if it's on the calendar or in the gradebook, then you will create a discussion activity. Discussion activities and discussion assignments are all under the Discussions tool. Only discussion assignments are in the Assignment tool. I want to thank you very much for attending the Power of 10 series, and have a nice day.